Hello traders, Bank Nifty future chart. It's a 1 minute chart. Today November 14, daily basis we are analyzing how calls are generating in this chart and how it's performing in live market. In this chart, daily you are just going to open the chart and watch it. The calls, the signals will come automatically and you are just going to place the order. If you want to do manual trade you can do, or if you want to do auto trading means that is also possible in this chart. Today, November 14, market open and previous day trend is sell trend. The trend is following today also. We are waiting for a fresh new trend. So waiting for a buy call like that. So whenever a trend changes only, the momentum changes only, you will receive signal. For example, today after 12:30 p.m. a buy call generated. So green color candle open, buy at 42,185. Entry point also came in live market. So whenever a signal generated, it will look like this only. A new candle color will come. You will get entry point, target 1 and 2 and a stop loss in live market. Only when trend changes, you will receive signal. Today market opening momentum was previous day's selling momentum, and that momentum changed after in afternoon market 12:30 p.m. only. So up to now the previous day momentum only followed. Today market also was very flat momentum, very slow momentum only. Let's wait and see how this call performing in live market. After 1 hour of the buy call generator, finally market able to break out the first target range. Buy call generated at 42,185 and the first target range is 42,290. That is more than 100 point, more than 105 point target that got reached after 1 hour of the market movement. So like this only today buy call generated and break out the target range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.